Did you know dolphins sleep with one eye open? They keep half their brain awake to watch for predators. Did you know male seahorses give birth? They carry and deliver their babies in a special pouch. Did you know spiders can fly using silk? Some species use their silk to balloon and ride the wind. Did you know ants never sleep? They take tiny power naps while staying constantly active. Did you know a tiger's skin is striped just like its fur? The pattern is unique to each tiger, like a fingerprint. Follow Trivia Orb for more fascinating facts.